Hey, I'm Will, Director of Design here at Viewrail. Welcome to our booth. One big theme for us this year has been really celebrating light. And you see so much of this warm glow in what we've done throughout the booth. On the wall behind me, we have three of our favorite systems that we enjoy so much. And on the right side, we have the Rise system. One thing we're seeing is so many people are really wanting to bring in these elements of warmth in their homes. And here on this wall of the booth, we love the glow that's coming through for each of those. Light is so integral to what we do. The beauty of floating stairs is both the natural light and the integrated LED light. When it comes to modern design, we're stripping some elements away, but we're also adding some elements in. And I'm seeing with this resurgence of Art Deco or modern organic. And in this case, we have some really great mid-century vibes. And we love this gold and the accent wall with the recessed handrail in it. We're playing with glass as an element where you really see those strong lines, those very architectural lines. With this dark amber glass, we're really seeing which elements do we want to eliminate, which elements do we want to recede, and which elements do we want to celebrate. Here behind me is our newest system, Mono Select. We're eliminating visible bracketry. As we sort of dovetail those treads into that stringer, you're cleaning up those lines. And I honestly think this is one of my favorite systems. Here at the bottom, one thing that we're really loving is playing with the tactileness of materiality. We have a leather handrail. We're getting some of those beautiful radius elements in. Each of these capsules, they have some element that's standing out, some element that pops. Here at Viewrail, we have a little bit of what I like to describe as a secret menu. We have so many options. One thing we're showing here, a little bit of a tasting menu of some of these colors and finishes. The response has been amazing. People have really loved this materials and selections area of the booth. This is new for us. And so here you see our nature-inspired palette, all our metal colors, a little sampling of our wood tones. Another thing is the leather handrail. Just love the tactileness of the leather. These leathers patina beautifully. And it's something where, even though we may not be playing with color necessarily, we're playing with materiality and those warm textures. A lot of times we may have like a mood board of inspo images, or clients come to us and they found a picture on Pinterest. And the hard part is we're like, great, we love that. How? How are we going to accomplish that? And the recessed handrail solution that we have was born out of that. We have a look we want to create. How are we going to accomplish it? And with the solution that we have, there's so many options. Some people have done a leather wrap on the inside, or like on the wall behind me, we have the wood veneer wrap. You could do a leather handrail or a wood handrail, or in some of the other systems, we've done a metal, just a metal color and that light glows in. Another thing we really love about this is it's integrated where the LED light goes into it. So it's a full package. A lot of times in our discussions, we love to talk about the interior stairs or interior railing, but our exterior offerings are also quite extensive. Everything you see here behind me are all exterior products that include exterior mono, exterior spiral, some really fantastic cable railing, and perf panel railing, glass railing. One of my favorite exterior products is our hidden side mount glass. It's so clean, and this one's got a lot of attention at the show. The ability to mount the glass to the side of the structure and then have whatever your cladding is, wrap the outside. It just creates this illusion of the glass coming out of the material. Also love the fact that these products are indoor or outdoor. One thing that's really special about this base rail glass that's behind me is this is 3/4 inch thick glass, which is absolutely massive. Beautiful design, the ultra thick glass, but in some areas also really important for hurricane resistance. One thing we love about the spiral system is it's a bolt together system. Some areas are really tight on space, and so the bolt together allows us to get into those tight spaces and assemble it more easily. This side of the booth, we're showcasing some of our specialized projects and some of what those customizations could look like. Also seeing some really fun finishes, some of those really fun customizations in these products. I think this system behind me is the second most photographed and tagged on Instagram this show. A lot of people are really loving this. What we're seeing here is showcasing the plinths and platforms that could be incorporated with your stair. Something we're seeing a lot of is we don't want to just copy paste a stair into a space. We're really seeing ways to tie it to the architecture and the design of the home. And one of those ways that I love doing is with big plinths, platforms at the base of the stair. Here you're seeing this customized radius corners of the plinths, and you can picture your stairs landing on top of that. And we love finding these ways to bring those curved radius elements into the home. Something that's really special with this one is these unlacquered brass ends on the treads. This really ties to the trend that we're seeing towards Art Deco, a little bit of modern lines. We're celebrating some of those materials. The pop of gold at the end really amplifies the floating look of a cantilever stair, and the brass pins go with it so well. This is a light amber glass. You get just a hint of that warmth, and floating that glass off of the end of the cantilever really allows the light play to really look incredible on those treads, and that little pop of gold just seals the deal. The New Wood Duo. Love the warmth of the wood stringer, but the real hero of this system is the fluted glass. And this is another case of an element that we've seen before, maybe an element, you could say like a little bit of a heritage element, reinterpreted in a modern way. We don't want it to feel like we just dusted off the archives and brought it back. We still want it to feel fresh. We want it to feel inspiring, and I think we did that. And of course, we want to talk about our curved staircase. This is the showstopper. This one has had so many pictures taken as people have really enjoyed the curved staircase. One thing that's really fun, we just leaned into materials and textures and colors in this palette. People have loved it. We have texture here, so we have leather, has a little gold, and the handrail brackets. Here you have this oversized timbre that we made in-house that really lends itself to this sweeping curve. And we love the lines of the timbre, but there's just a lot of different options with curve. And these stairs are just something that the team is really going to come together and figure out what is best for your space, what your vision is, what the designer's vision is, and make it come to life.